Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by choosing Lively or Wallpaper Engine for Windows 11 Live Wallpapers. Download from the Microsoft Store or Steam and install like any app. Open Settings using Windows key +I and go to Apps to enable background app permissions. Allow the chosen app to run on battery if you want motion while unplugged. Create a dedicated folder for your live wallpaper files to keep them organized and easy to find. Keep file names short and descriptive for faster importing and troubleshooting later. Launch the Live Wallpaper app and choose Import to add a video, GIF, web page, or animated wallpaper. Select the imported item and use the preview to verify playback and looping behavior. Adjust the quality slider in the app to balance GPU load and visual fidelity for your hardware. Set playback to pause on battery or enable sound if you want audio. Assign wallpapers per virtual desktop or choose a global wallpaper that appears across all desktops and displays. Optimize performance by limiting the wallpaper frame rate to 30 FPS or lower when using older hardware. Exclude the wallpaper app from battery saver and background restrictions in settings to prevent it from pausing unexpectedly. If you notice stuttering, update your GPU drivers and install pending Windows updates. Lower the app quality or switch from video to a lightweight animated PNG to reduce resource use. Finally, restart the app after changes and test different settings until smooth playback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.